We're here in Stu Point oh.
This is 2.0.
Crazy, man.
You're gonna Stu. Oh, looks huge with the wide angle.
Look at that.
Scooter resurrection coming soon.
So what we gotta do, we gotta clean it up. We gotta organize all Adam's shit.
Yeah, there's shit fucking everywhere.
Pull the S13 in here, and then later on in the video, we'll go grab the 8.6 from Ben's and pull that in here, and then make it so it doesn't drive anymore. Really cool, man.
We gotta basically cut the 8.6 in half.
Adam got a fresh fade, too.
Oh my god, I said take an inch off.
Give him a 360, come on.
No, I don't want to.
Come on. Come on. Clean, man.
This fucker hangs pretty low, eh? Let's give him the dome on it.
Do a little before and after. See that wood right there? Before. After, dude. Crazy, man. Ooh.
Shit's all gonna fall on our head. Toolbox.
We're gonna move this toolbox over into that corner. It's gonna be clean, man. All right, dudes, would you check that out? Fire, dude.
It'll be interesting to see how spacious it is with the car in there.
Yeah, Adam's gonna pull his S13 in here.
There's no steering wheel, but
No, you don't need that.
no.
There's no seat either, eh?
No.
Where's the bucket at?
Should we go try?
No seat? No steering wheel? You just gonna hub it?
Still gonna send it. Daddy, get in.
How's that feel?
Oh, dude, I'm too tall for this.
Still better than a bride. I can do it if you're... Are you too fucking elongated?
I still don't have anything like...
I'll put my arm here so you have something to like lean against, you know?
for the clutch?
Because that's what happened to me when I moved mine sitting on a bowl. I fell backwards.
Yeah.
Also, turning is super sketch.
Come on.
What's busting in here, man?
I'll just hang on top here.
How am I gonna have to help you steer?
We have to go down the street though, because we have to come up the alley.
Should I get some vice grips?
Power skirting, bro. Is that those JDM guys feel in Japan? Who have like mini steering wheel?
You can probably double hand it.
No, because I have to hold myself up.
Dude, I'll hold you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. How many millimeters is the steering wheel? Oh, no. Oh, no. Wow, we're chilling, man. I think I'm good. I'm hanging on here. So. Oh, it's binding on the header.
Bro, chill, man.
Oh! Why would you ever have a steering wheel or a seat, man? Oh, it's gonna be steep to get him.
Oh, man, dude.
For sure getting the fence. It's fine, bro. This is chill vibes, bro. Oh, felt that in my rectum.
Are you gonna bottom out?
We're gonna find out. No. Oh,
You have to probably go in with speed, eh? You gotta angle it more, I think. Turn it, Adam, turn it all the way towards, like, this way. Like, wheels pointing that way. And then go in, that'll give you enough angle to get your rear end in. Then you can turn it the other way and park on that side.
So you park over there?
Yeah, but you need to go in on, like, a decent angle. Oh, look at the carnage, man. decent.
I'm fucking sweating, man.
Alright, so next day we're back on the main camera.
Back on the connect.
Getting the 6. Cool, man. Yeah, you guys seen this? Yeah. Got the hydro. You already know I'm gonna be fucking managing it on the way home. Yeah.
Shut up.
Might pay Uncle Joel a visit. Surprise visit.
We're gonna go fuck with Joel.
Go break all this shit.
Take his door down.
First testicle drive since the last video.
How was it?
It's really nice. It pulls really hard.
S14K. Can't wait to absolutely cut this thing in half.
It's got all the torques, man. Go see Uncle Joel?
Yeah, let's go piss off Joel.
Alright. Good delivery for Uncle Joel. Guess this is kind of a sneak peek for people watching too, eh?
Oh yeah, so Joel has purchased every color of gloves. These are the last 2 he doesn't have yet. And Joel's big drift guy has a huge glove collection, so he loved them so much he bought 6 pairs.
This black or purple?
This is black and green.
Fuck, I thought I grabbed purple.
He already has purple.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He has purple, pink, yellow, blue.
Cool, man. Look at him, look at this guy.
The mats.
Crazy, man.
Well, these cars are pretty dirty
Yeah.
on display.
You can just wait. You know, we'll display them in another video. Don't worry about it.
You don't need me to do like an opening? Like
No, it's
open
okay.
them?
We got
Like an unboxing?
We can do it.
Alright.
We don't want you to get them dirty.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome, Joel.
Damn. Those are dope. Those are like a clean, like neutral colorway, you know?
Yeah. Buddy, come back here. Roush.
Wow. That's cool. I like those ones. Yeah, I like these ones. I don't even need to look at the other ones. I just like these ones. Holy, that's loud pack.
Your favorite, Siggy's.
Yeah, cigarettes are dope.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first.
Alright, last time we filmed we were at platform. Now we're on a rescue mission.
Yeah, Ben was driving the R30 and a wheel fell off. So, we gotta go rescue him.
Got some wheels in the back, man.
Yeah, keep you updated on how it goes.
Just cooked.
We're stuck.
What happened, Mr. Drifters?
Why squeaky?
Lift or something.
It would have been bad. Me and Ben might be dead.
Does it take your ripple off, maybe?
I was gonna try and drive it to get it on, but I don't think that's gonna work.
The wheel's gonna come off.
I think it is, yeah. It's only on like a tiny bit on this one and barely on the other.
Got the Crocs in sport mode.
You guys know you can't park here, right?
Ben thinks it's the Crocs' fault. You are Crocs and
How is 8-6? Dude,
Yeah,
it pulls
drive.
so hard, actually.
is it? I was gonna say, is it fast?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's so torquey and shit.
That's sketchy.
Oh my god, man. Let's see it.
Will this fit?
I think they'll fit. They're probably
Wait, does
a
it
bit
not fit
taller.
at all with no spacer?
He said it scraped really bad on the caliper.
You want to self-clearance it? That's it.
You want me to hold the wheel? Let's go.
This is like lower it now,
Sick.
right?
You should put them all on this. Yeah, is this wheel gonna hit?
Just hold it for a bit on throttle.
No, it's gonna lean out.
Back in Stu 0.0, man.
We're in Stu 0.0. Still got some holes in Noah's trunk we gotta delete. We're definitely not defacing money here. But I mean, the metal we're using is almost the exact same size as a Canadian. The fuck is he called?
Dimes.
Dime.
Almost.
We got a blue nose schooner on there.
Almost the exact same size, dude.
Yeah. Look at that blue nose. Used to be the fastest boat out there back in the early days. Queen Elizabeth II on the back. Looking sexy, as always.
Fucking gilf, dude.
She'd be on that, man.
Yeah.
And
Cool,
yeah,
man.
let's see how it goes. I don't know if this outlet's gonna be strong enough for the Schwelder. It needs to be 20 amps. I feel like that's 15 amps. So I don't know. We're gonna have to figure something out if that don't work.
We'll figure it out. We'll play it by ear. Alright, let's see how this goes.
Hopefully this outlet is strong enough. I got my safety boots on. No, not strong enough. Actually, it might be.
Tunes, dude. Welding dimes in the trunk, dude. You know what I mean, dude?
Know what you mean, man?
You know what I mean, dude?
Beans!
Fuck, look at that fitment.
Sup, Damien?
Dude, I could be fucking Damien, man. Let's go the fucking buzz, dude. Who's that make you then, man? AJ?
Yeah. I'll be AJ. He's like, you can tell he's like genuinely very nice.
You heard it here first. We're doing a collab, dude.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, dude?
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Merch dropping soon.
We're almost done. Last one. Increasing the car's value by about 50 cents. You know what I mean, dude? How much damage you done, dude? So you guys are trying to fill holes in your trunk. You just file down a dime.
A dime-sized piece of metal.
Yeah, dime-sized piece of metal. You just gotta file it down a little bit, and it fits perfect. Thanks, Uncle Joel. I think that's just low spots. I don't know.
I think it's fine.
Alright, all the holes are welded and flappered. Got a little bit of a burn through, but nothing some Bondo won't fix. Putting the scooter exhaust back on. The factory one, man.
So it's usable without absolutely smelting the piston.
There we go, dude. Mint, dude. Sick, man. The studio is gonna be hidden, dude. The other studio, the address was in every single video, but this one I'll never forget.
This stew is hidden.
Hidden stew.
My house like does not have an address.
Well, that's gonna end this one, dude. We put the stock scooter exhaust back on.
So it's usable.
Adam doesn't know if he's gonna keep it or sell it yet.
I might keep it for a while. It's kind of cool and stuff.
We schwelded the trunk holes one step closer to being done all the body work and prep work so it can go to paint. Then we're gonna do big time engine mods. SR's hitting 300 HPs. Adam's RV's probably hitting the same. Spending way too much money, doing way too much damage. So follow our Instagram. Stay tuned for more information on the drop, dude. Because we need to recoup some funds.
Yeah, that's gonna be a good drop. The gloves are fire. Joel bought 6 pairs and he wants more. Like,
yeah.
And he has a huge glove collection. Like, he buys all the.
Joel's a big glove guy.
gloves.
He knows his gloves.
Yeah. So yeah, it's crazy. They're good gloves.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, until next time.
All right, dude. Beans.
First video in the Stu 2.0, dude.
Yeah, how's 2.0?
Let us know below.
So much easier to film because we're not in the direct sunlight. There's not cars chooching past the Mach 12.
It's pretty dank.
What's the next video probably gonna be?
But you're gonna be gone for a week. So we have this. And
You
maybe.
and Ben might film something, or you and Colby?
Yeah, maybe.
Good, man.
Depends if the car goes to paint next weekend. There'll be a video on that.
Oh yeah.
If I finish it, dude.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, dude.
Ha
Yeah.
ha ha.
Probably not, dude.
Ha.
Probably not.
Ha.
Probably not, dude.
All right, peace, dude.
All right, comment, like, subscribe.
The boys will try to